The first time I heard him, it was like, I just thought, wow. Blew me away. I mean, it was like hearing Charlie Parker or something again, only now, today, and more.
Gilad has what inspired me about jazz in the first place, which is that it transcends the boundaries, that it's an outward-looking music, but it's filtered through a totally personal thing, and a really strong person can take stuff on, whether it's Arabic or Indian or French or whatever you like, Spanish influences, and it comes out absolutely that person if they're strong enough. And Gilad's strong enough. He's very, very strong.